Step 2. Rotation drill with 2 partners. Here we start to work with our spotters. If you can, start with 2 spotters because it makes it much easier for them as well. Each one of the spotters stand on one side of you. For this drill, the spotters should position one hand on your lower back, close to the hip, and one behind your upper leg. You stand between the spotters. Now let your weight sinking backwards on the arms of the spotters. They support you and push your legs over you. First you might land on your hands and feet. This is totally fine. Practice this until you land on your feet safely and you become used to the motion.